Hey guys, thanks for joining in and welcome to CodeBox. In this tutorial, we will walk through how to get the user's location from the IP address in PHP. If you want to follow along, the code download is on the CodeBox website. Link in the description box below. Alright, let us start with a real quick explanation on the IP address. Each region has its own specific range of IP addresses. We can reverse check an IP address to get the approximate physical location. This is called IP geolocation. PHP does not maintain a list of IP geolocations. So in this example, we will use an online service called IP Geolocation. Step 1. Sign up with IP Geolocation. Head over to ipgeolocation.io and register an account. Once you have registered and signed in, the API key should be right on the dashboard. Copy it. Step 2. Do a PHP CURL request to the API endpoint. First, let us put the API key into a settings array. Followed by the user's IP address. But since we are only doing a test here, let us use a randomly generated IP address instead. Next, we append all these settings as a query string to the endpoint URL. Following up, initiate the curl request. Set the URL, and to return the results. Lastly, all that's left is to execute the curl request, and JSON decode the results. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more. See you in the next one.